Merrick Israel. I'm a PM on the site. This is the NV1 Data Center project. Welcome to the site visit. If you look at this project site, there's stuff going on at every corner and every spot, up, down, left, right. So I think it's just trying to organize and get all that going in a clean and orderly manner. This is the first time using the drone as much as we do out here, but we've been using DroneDeploy and Sitemetric for a decent amount of time doing all the internal 360 photos. So part of our general guidelines in a building is taking a photo in a room from steel and metal decking all the way to paint. So we'll have photos taken probably every week throughout the process, so that way if there's ever an issue, we can go to any point in that room and figure out what the issue was and where we can modify things and how we can fix things.
We have over 1,200 people working here on a daily basis, so it's a lot of information that has to get out to a lot of people. The easiest way to do that, unfortunately, sometimes is to stick people in a room, but you can't see what's going on outside. So you have to be able to depict those things. So when we can use overlaying maps and things like that, everyone can understand the process faster. We can look 3 weeks ahead. We can show them how things are moving, what we're going to be changing on the site throughout the job. And so we can kind of get people to an understanding of where we need to be in the coming week.
Almost all of my meetings will pull up the orthographic photo, and then we'll also usually go into the 3D model. It's so much easier to explain things to people when you can point directly onto a 3D model where we're talking about. So that helps a lot.
From an owner side, you don't get a chance to walk the job as often as the GC or the subcontractors do. So it gives you an opportunity to kind of see the particular parts of the building that you normally wouldn't see and do it in a meeting setting, in a controlled setting.
Most of the time, sites such as this need the big overall scope looked at. DroneDeploy has been great for that because we can actually take the whole scope and not just have it on a 2D image. We have a lot of ditches that we have to cut through here, so understanding how those grades work, how that's going to affect everything down below it to the side of it, looking at it in a 3D image in a total look before we have to go outside and actually get the work done helps a lot.
This project has been really active with DroneDeploy. It's helpful in the data center too because it's a lot of similar looking spaces and buildings. So it helps in that sense for locating issues and being very clear.
The 360 cameras help us look back and make sure everything's built correctly. We can go back and look what's inside the walls. We can make sure whatever was installed was correct. If we ever have an issue, we can know exactly what was there before we go up and open something. And it kind of helps with the cost management side of issues.
I think it's the easiest way to depict things that are going on site. This allows you to look at the campus in a three-dimensional way. It provides so much value and clarity.
Reality capture buys time and it creates accuracy, and that's the superintendent's best friend.
Everyone uses this, everyone's pretty much involved.
Thanks for joining us today on the Vantage NV1 project. Hope you guys learned something today, and we'll see you on the next one.